Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, or be discussing with you, how to withdraw Sweatcoin money to Binance. But first, check a special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to withdraw your Sweatcoin here to your Binance account, well, there are a few things that you may want to know. Now, currently, if you want to transfer your Sweatcoin balance directly to Binance, well, unfortunately, as of right now, Binance does not support Sweatcoin as of this moment. So what you need to do is you want to first trade or convert your Sweatcoin into USDT or in a different cryptocurrency. So in this case, at the bottom right of the screen, you want to go and click on trade. Now from here, you want to go ahead and specify how much Sweatcoin that you want to basically trade in here. So just to give you an idea, maybe I want to trade like 10,000 Sweatcoin. And as you can see, that's how much it actually is worth right now. Like you go and just choose the option for like continue. So let's go and just change this a bit so that we meet the minimum requirement. Let's go and click on continue. By the way, you can go and choose the provider here. So you go and choose either Ramp or Mercurio. But in this case, I'm selected that. Click on the option here to make the transfer. Click on continue and just follow the on-screen steps. Now, typically, they would require you to provide an ID to make the actual conversion. And also, they would ask you what cryptocurrency that you may want to convert this to. So in this case, I would highly recommend you to use USDT. But once you've converted or traded your Sweatcoin to actual USDT that you could transfer, you want to go and go back into your main menu, click on send at the bottom left side here. And from here, you want to go and enter the address. Now, by the way, if you go and click on X at the top right, and you go and just go back or select your token here. Now, you can go and just choose whichever cryptocurrency that you've converted here. Like for example, you have USDT. Go and select that. Now, from here, specify the amount of USDT that you want to transfer. For example, we want to transfer like, let's just say like 25. Now, from here, you can go and just select the address. Click on select address at the very top. And just basically enter the address that you want to send to. Now, if you are not sure where to get your address from Binance, well, this one's quite easy as well. So in this case, you want to go ahead and head over into Binance. Now, inside Binance, what you need to do is you want to go ahead and access the option for adding your funds. So typically, if you go to the section or main menu here, let's go and close this one first. You go to the add section, you should see the add funds option. Let's go click on add funds. Now from here, it's going to give you two options and a lot more, but you want to go and choose the on-chain deposit. Now from here, you want to go and choose USDT. So you go and search for it. Let's go and select USDT. Now you want to go and choose the network. So this totally depends on what network you selected before on Sweatcoin. So for example, I want to use the ETH network here. And again, you need to make sure that you are selecting the correct network in here. But typically once you selected that, you should be able to see the QR code at the very top and also the address that you can copy at the bottom here. Now, once you've done that, once you copy that, you can go back into Sweatcoin and just make or proceed with your transfer. And that's about it. So if you found this video, hopefully hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.